Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on health is wealth. Health is wealth is a famous saying that highlights the value of good health. When you are healthy, you feel good and can do many things. It's like having a treasure because you can enjoy life more. Even if you have a lot of money, it's not as good as being healthy. Good health lets you do fun activities, play games, and spend time with friends. Eating healthy food and exercising help you stay healthy. When you are not sick, you can go to school, work, and have fun. Taking care of your body and mind is like saving money for the future. Going to the doctor for checkups is important to make sure you stay healthy. Remember, being healthy is one of the best things you can have in life. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.